Our sun, source of all life as we know it, but sometimes it gets in life's way. Its glare means we can't watch TV or see our computer screens, not to mention how it can make things uncomfortably warm. So we block it out with curtains, shutters and blinds. A simple solution to an age-old problem. At iTouch Energy, we've thought one step further. What if we could harness the power of the sun at the very same time we're taking cover from it? Our idea is a world first. Solar panels incorporated into stylish vertical blinds. They reduce your electricity bill while keeping you cool. How they work is very simple. Once installed and connected to your electricity supply, the blinds start to generate usable energy almost immediately. It's affordable, easy to install, and maintenance-free. The perfect solution for energy-aware homeowners living in apartment blocks who don't have their own rooftop to install solar panels. The iTouch Energy solar blinds are smart too, connecting to mobile devices via Wi-Fi and the web, allowing you to control the blinds remotely, monitor your energy generation, and integrate with other smart home devices. A working prototype has been built and undergone rigorous testing. Tests were performed on different types of solar cells, different window glazing, and window orientations to perfect the design and performance of the microgeneration system. We've come a long way since our first design inspiration. With UK and international patents pending and interest growing from developers, architects, and homeowners, there's a bright future ahead for iTouch Energy solar blinds.